How to create great videos for your vlog. Your videos are what will make or break your vlog. Yes, some people have been reasonably successful by just recording stuff on the fly, but it is much better to plan your videos. Create a schedule of the video topics you want to record and stick to it. It is a good idea to create a video script and storyboard for all of your videos. This does not have to take a lot of time. Just make notes of what you want to include in your video and what you are going to cover. There is no need to write down every word you are going to say. Create a storyboard that shows what you are going to do at each stage of the video. How will you start it, what will you cover in the middle, and how will you end your video? Make the start and the end of your video really good. YouTube viewers have limited attention spans and will quickly move on if your video doesn't start well. Recording tips. If you are going to record your video inside, then you will need to consider good lighting. You can purchase some good lighting stocks pretty cheap on Amazon, or maybe find them second-hand on eBay or even in a local store. Record some test footage first to check visuals and audio. If it is not quite right, then make some adjustments. It is essential that your video is of the highest quality that you can make it. Use a good camera and a good microphone for your recordings. You want to engage your audience as much as possible in your videos. Make sure that you ask them to leave a comment about your video. Ask them a specific question and then request that they leave a comment with their answer. Ask people to subscribe to your YouTube channel if they haven't already done this. Also ask your viewers to like your video. Develop your own unique way of signing off at the end of your videos. Come up with a phrase that is unique to you. Edit your video properly. You are not going to record a perfect video first time every time, so you will need to do some editing. If you don't know how to do this, then you need to learn. There are many tutorials on YouTube on video editing. Just search for the video editing suite that you plan to use and you will find many helpful videos. Even with free video editing options like iMovie for the Mac and Windows Movie Maker, you will be able to do a lot of cool things. It is easy to cut the stuff out of your video that you don't want, and you can add transitions and other effects. Before you upload your video to your YouTube channel, watch it through until the end. If there are still some issues, then fix them. Sometimes mistakes can be funny, so you could make a video for your vlog with some of your funniest outtakes. Upload your video to your YouTube channel. The last step in the process is to upload your finished video to YouTube. Make sure that it appears on the right channel if you have more than one. Create an optimized title, description and tags so that people can find your video in a search. If you like this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up, and share this to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.